Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay and today we are here with a special type of video. This video signifies my growth and my dedication to my YouTube channel and my want to grow on other social media platforms. So this video is going to be very special to me. But before we get started, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe and join the family. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. So today, you guys, I'm so excited to announce that I am upgrading my filming equipment. This is just one of many upgrades. I am officially part of the DJI family. I recently picked up the DJI Action 5 Pro. Now I am on the market for the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, which DJI just announced is going to be releasing on April 16th. So definitely keeping my eye out for that one. I don't know if I'm going to purchase it as soon as it comes out, or if I'm going to give it some time, see some reviews, and then purchase it, or maybe purchase the Osmo Pocket 3. We shall see. I got the Essential combo. They had 3 different combos on Amazon. They had the Essential combo, they had the Standard combo, and they had the Adventure combo. After comparing the 3 combos, I just decided to go with the Essential combo. To me, there was no real difference between the Essential combo and the Standard combo. From what I can see, there was a difference between the Essential and the Standard to the Adventure combo. I'm going to show you that everything that this combo came with, and I also picked up a whole bunch of accessories, so I'm going to show you also what I got. So we are literally unboxing this together. It's still in the plastic. I have not opened it yet. I'm so excited. So this combo comes with the camera. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so small. I currently use the Sony ZV-1, and well, I do love my camera. I just am not comfortable recording outside in public with it. This is like a game changer. Also, this is rugged. It's obviously for action shooting. So I know a lot of people go hiking and snowboarding and all those things with it. I won't particularly be doing those things, but this is something that I could throw in my bag and not feel guilty about. Charging cable, some instructions, cage or the case for the camera. So we got this cage on. The attachment to put on the tripod came with this attachment piece where the camera magnetically clips on here, and then you use this piece to attach it to the tripod. I think that's it for what came with the Essential combo. Everything that was in this box was listed in the Standard combo box. So the original price of the Essential combo is, I believe, $339. Amazon had it on there for $288, and then I had points through my Capital One credit card, which took off $87. So I paid roughly $200 for this camera. The Standard combo is $319, and like I said, it seemed like the same exact accessories, everything was in that combo. The Adventure combo was everything that was in this combo plus 3 batteries and the charging case. The Standard combo is $319 on Amazon right now, and the Adventure combo is $419 on Amazon right now. So $288, Standard $319, Adventure $419. Now I added accessories that I wanted after doing my research on the camera and what I thought would work for me. If you just are okay with the accessories this comes with, then $288 and boom, you got yourself a DJI Action Pro 5. So the accessories that I got, and I'm going to give you everything with the prices. First thing I have is, first thing I got is, like I said, that attachment piece for the tripod. I thought this was just going to be much easier for me. So it's from Newer. It has that magnetic clip here, and then it has that like screw where you could just screw it on, I guess, for lack of better words. You could just screw it onto the tripod. And I got the magnetic mount. You can like turn it and like basically anything that's magnet, stick it onto. So it attaches to that same area. This is it with the magnetic piece, and if I want to like just stick it on something, I could just stick it on and record myself. I got the macro lens. The Action 5 doesn't have an autofocus, so the macro lens helps with the autofocus, and then it kind of gives that blur effect in the background. Then I got this light that you can connect to the camera. So this connects to the side of the camera, and then you have some extra light. So definitely needed that attachment bit. Then I got this Ulanzi tripod. I needed a new tripod because the current tripod I have is from Best Buy, and I love this tripod. It goes up to I think like 67 inches. Like, it goes so tall. But the other tripod I have, I feel like it's too short. So I thought this was like the happy medium for me. Then I got 2 extra batteries, and I got the battery charging case. If you know, you know, you're always gonna need extra batteries. If you're trying to live off of one battery as a content creator, it's never gonna work. So I got this one from FirstPower. I like this brand. I have extra batteries from them for my Sony ZV-1, and I've never had any issues with my batteries, so I went with them. Obviously, DJI has extra batteries and a charging case if you'd like to go through them. I got the case. Now, I am kind of disappointed because I did not know the case was this huge. When you see it, or when you see the picture of it, it just looks like a cute carry case. This is humongous, and I don't like that. So this was probably the most expensive thing from the accessories. I just love the sleekness of the case. I love the DJI. That's what drawn me to it. But it's just too huge. It holds the camera, it holds the battery pack, it holds your tripod, and then it has these pockets for your other accessories. This is definitely doable maybe for travel. It's gonna take up a lot of space in your personal item, but I think this is more like literally a travel case. Like if I'm getting on a plane and I wanna store my stuff away, to get this case. But for me to wanna just carry this around, I don't know yet. I'll see how I feel. So lastly, I picked up some ND filters. I got 5 ND filters. So 4 of them come in here, and then the other one comes separately. So the ND filters basically are the sunglasses for your camera. If you're filming outside, it won't have too much sun exposure in your clips. So I definitely wanted to get this because I know when I'm filming, usually with the light, or if I'm filming outside, that glare, it annoys me. So this is definitely something that was needed. In total, if I didn't use any points or any gift cards, I would have spent $447.74 before taxes. Let's just round it to $480. I'll say between $480 and $500 if you get the accessories I got. I had about $112 in points and gift cards, so I ended up spending $335.74. Let's just say between $350 and $360 after taxes. I think that for the camera and all of the accessories I got, I did great. So we are at the end of this video. I thank you guys for watching. I hope that I inspired somebody to get the damn camera, okay? You need it. Don't let nobody tell you you don't need it. If this is what you want to do, content creation is what you want to do, influencing is what you want to do, photography is what you want to do, videography, whatever it is that you want to do, and this is going to catapult that, do it. Okay, save up for it, whatever you have to do, get those gift cards, but get the damn camera. You're going to thank yourself later. Once again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.